Does your hardtop Jeep make an annoying droning noise? A heavy bassy noise that gives you a headache, makes your teeth itch, no fun to drive? Does it get even worse when you're on rough roads or corrugated dirt roads? Yeah, we had that issue in my Jeep too. And I think I know what's causing it, but more importantly, I found a solution that solved about 90-95% of it for less than 50 bucks. All right, so here is the sound. I don't know if it'll come through on the camera because, like I said, it feels like an overpressure noise, not so much a sound, but there's kind of a reverberation that's going on, and I think it's just simply that you have these large panels here with the windows. Now, this is a 2-door, but I've heard of people having this issue in 4 doors as well. But you have a large panel here, and you've got another one on the other side and the top. And I don't know if that's coming through on the camera, but it's just kind of a pressurized noise, and I even have the hatch open and I can still feel it. So basically, I think what's happening is you have these 2 panels that are directly opposite of each other. Actually, there's 3 of them, and they're producing sound waves, and they're moving and flexing, and it's hitting in the middle, and it's just causing like an overpressure. I'm not an audio, whatever, scientist or anything like that, but I'm pretty sure that's what's going on. So the first thing I did 2 things to kind of try and fix this. The first thing I did is I took some 1-inch thick foam pads that I had. Now this is some very dense foam. I use this for forming kydex. It's specially made for that, but I'm sure any dense foam that's thick enough will work. And what I did was I just jammed this up above the speaker because you can feel the vibration in the roof. And I just kind of wedged that up there, and it took quite a bit of that out. And I did that on both sides. These are like 8 by 12, roughly 8 by 11. And I just wedged them up there. And it actually helped quite a bit, but it didn't solve all the problem. So the second thing I did is I bought one of these. This is a load bar, or a cargo bar, okay? They make large ones of these for semi-trucks, and they make smaller ones for SUVs and pickups. Now, it's very important. Basically, this spreads out and locks to the wheel wells of a truck or an SUV to keep your cargo secured from moving around. But some of these, and this is very important, have a screw foot on the end for fine adjustments. Now, here's what I did. It's very simple, and hopefully you can see. I know it's a weird angle, but basically, you just go from one end of the hardtop to the other, right? And do not put too much pressure on here. It doesn't take much. Remember, that whole panel is glass. If you push too hard on the top, bad things can happen. That's why you want an adjustable, a twist adjusting one, because you can fine tune it. You don't have to go that extra bit on a ratcheting style one that might cause you big issues. But you get this set, and then you just twist it to put a little bit of pressure on it. That's it. It made a huge difference for me. I'm not saying it's going to work for everybody, but for me, it made this Jeep so much better to drive. Well, that and a few other things. I hope you can hear the difference. It still makes a thudding noise when I do that, but that pressure feeling is basically gone. And it makes it a lot better. So in any case, there you go, that's it. I will put links in the description to help you find. Now, I bought this at a local hardware store, and I can't find the exact one, but I will put links to a similar one so you know what to look for. You definitely want the adjustable foot so you don't put too much pressure on here. You just enough to where it's not moving around. Now, these can rattle, but it's as easy as just putting a bungee cord on it. It's just the way it is. I mean, I don't think there's a perfect solution for it. I did notice that when I went camping and this was full of gear, it wasn't as bad, but just driving around with this whole big echo chamber open, it was very annoying. Like, get rid of it immediately kind of annoying. Anyways, hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.